Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a vignette effect in Adobe After Effects. Once you have the project opened up, what you can, after importing all your files and doing your edit, what you can do to import the vignette is right click on this empty portion, and then you have to click on new, and then you have this option solid, and then I will make it as black color, full black, and then click on OK. As you can see, this is created. Sorry if the size is not correct for me. I'll just adjust it. Okay, so what I'll have to do next is go on to this rectangle tool, and then press and hold on that thing, and you have this ellipse tool. You can click on it, and then you have to double click on it. As you can see, it will create a rough bubble like this, as you can see, and then it will create a rough bubble like this, and then you can expand the properties of this mask one. What you can do is tick this inverted option, and now you can see the video is showing inside the circle. Now what I have to do is increase the mask feather to some values, and then I have to increase the mask expansion as well, right there. As you can see, now it will add it had added that little vignette effect to your video. So that's how we can easily add a vignette effect to your video in Adobe After Effects. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.